Hi friends, this video shows how to enable and use text to speech. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go down, select accessibility, then select text to speech. So first I am going to configure this. Select text to speech, then select engine configuration. So here you can change language. Select language. So if you want to use system language, you can use the first option. Otherwise you can select one language from the list, then go back. Then we can install voice data for the selected language. Select install voice data. So from this list we can install the voice data. After that we can enable text to speech and test. Go back to accessibility, select screen reader or TalkBack. So here we can enable. See, then we can test. So this way we can enable and use text to speech. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.